Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add ruler and guidelines in Canva. Let's go to the video. Here I have already opened a design. Now click on File that you can see on the top left side. Then Settings. Click on Show Rulers and Guides. Here you can see ruler. Now let's see how to add guidelines. Again click on File, Settings and click on Add Guides. Here you can select preset guidelines or custom guidelines. Then click on Add Guides. Now it is added. If you want to move these lines, you need to unlock guidelines. If not, you can't move these lines. To do that, click on File, Settings, and here you can see Lock Guides and it is enabled. To disable it, click on Lock Guides. Now all guides unlocked. Here you can move lines like this. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.